Okay guys, it is Sunday. Welcome to the watch list. With that being said, I want to get right into this one. We got a lot of information here and what's going on. So with that being said, let's jump right into the intro. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so you guys see I got these four up here. These are a little bit different than the normal four that we do have. So I'm going to go on ahead and start with the two kind of wild card plays. BA is one of these that has already confirmed using my strategy and everything. Has already made a little bit of a move up here. I do believe BA does still have room. Now, BA did also announce this weekend or this past week when we were looking to enter it last week that they lost $1 billion basically. Yes, I know you would think that that would mean it was just going to keep dropping. Turns out, no, they're still going to make money. Again, BA is one of those that they've got a lot of contracts running that when everything starts clearing up with this COVID and everything, that they're going to be able to start pushing back up and become the company that they were. With that being said, Under Armour is a wild card play for sure. It's dead right now. The volume just does not seem to be there. It's not a huge play. It's a cheaper stock just for anybody that's looking for these cheaper plays. Again, if you're utilizing options, this shouldn't really be a big deal to you because you're going to be able to get them for cheaper. With that also being said, though, this one is going to be a little bit of a mover. I do think we're going to come back up here, test 10 to 1050, anywhere in this range. I know that is a big range to be talking about, but I do see Under Armour pushing. I don't know exactly where the price range that I would be looking for it at, but I'm not buying into this one yet, but it will be in the coming week. At least that's what it looks like anyway. PCG on the other hand, though, PCG is one that it is going to start running up. You can see that the downtrend has finally stopped. We're getting flat here. I do think PCG is in the making for a little bit of a run here. Again, another lower price stock, not a huge one, but you're going to be able to make some money off this one. I do truly believe that. Uber, though, here is one that, everything's opening back up. You would think that Uber would be going up, but with all the new regulations and not being able to touch your phone or anything like that when driving across America, I know Texas has it, I know Indiana has it, I believe Florida has already incorporated it as well. It might be a national thing already. I'm not for sure on that. I just know where I'm at. But Uber is actually going to take another hit. I do think Uber's going to fall more. I think we're going to come down in here and at least test where we hit this low here on this day. I do think it's possible to fall even further. Now, how long is it going to fall for? That's anybody's guess, like normal. Again, if you have profits, take them, lock them in. Don't feel bad at all, especially if you're playing options. This move down here to $29 will actually be a large chunk for you. Believe it or not, that'll probably end up being around a 20 to 25% move, depending on how far out in expiration you're going with options. That's all a different play, though. With that being said, CGC, I did have this on a watch list last week, I believe, or maybe the week before. It is one of these. Oh, I messed up. It is one of these stocks that it should actually start moving up soon. It's really, really flat. It's whipsawing a lot, as you can see, up, down, and up, and then we're falling back down again. So it's not one of these. Again, it fits my strategy a little bit, but it's not the way I would like it. So this is one that I am going to leave alone. It's something I'm going to watch like normal, but it's not something I'm going to push. The one that I think everybody's going to be surprised about, though, is Roku. Roku, I think, is going to fall. You heard it here. Again, we hit this large high last week. That's great for them. They've been pretty flat. I do see a downtrend coming here. I know we're still pretty flat. We had a couple of days that got it back down, but we are really flat. There is some resistance in here. Again, I do not trade based off of support and resistance. There's some support there. Also resistance technically if you're shorting this, which is what I'm probably going to do, or buy puts on it. So that is one that I would be looking for to actually fall further. Again, if you don't know what shorting is or buying puts, you got to do some more research. It's betting that the stock is going to go down. Another couple of them that I actually like is Bank of America and Coca-Cola. So let's pull these two up here. Bank of America, I do think, is going to push up a little bit more. They've had a rough couple of days here at the end of the week. I don't think that that's going to matter. I think that Bank of America is going to end up pushing, as well as JP Morgan is looking to confirm here very, very soon for me as well. It's not there yet, so that's not one that I am looking to play. Coca-Cola and Bank of America both have not confirmed for me, but they are something that I'm watching here for this upcoming week. So those are things I know not a lot of people are talking about these companies, but when it comes down to swing trading, we don't want the hype. We just want actual moves that are solid. We don't want super high premiums. So if it's getting hyped like a Tesla right now, you're going to get killed in premiums, and I think that could be a problem. So that is something I would be watching out for. The winners that we have had, the massive winner, congrats to anybody that played this, is TLT. This thing's still falling. If you bought puts, I am up massively. You can see exactly where I bought. It's not a huge move, but it is down here. I do expect this one to keep falling this week, so I'm actually going to take a large chunk of money out of this one and let the rest of it run. That's just my opinion. I am already in the money on these puts, so that's a great fact as well. I didn't buy very far out of the money on these. With that being said as well, McDonald's a couple weeks ago, again, if you guys didn't make this play, it's okay, but we absolutely killed this play here as well. With that being said, guys, I am going to leave that there. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment. Hit that like button if you get something from it, or if you're going to watch these this week. Just help my algorithm out a little bit and being 100% transparent. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in tomorrow's watch list, and let's have a good day tomorrow.